Hey everyone! So here's how to fix WhatsApp not sending verification code. First of all, what you need to do is open up your WhatsApp application. So once you're in the app, you will get to see this interface. From here, tap on English or the language section. Then, scroll through and select the language that you want and then select Agree and Continue. Now, type in your phone number. Once you're done, tap on Next. Then you will get a prompt asking if your number is correct. Select Yes. Then WhatsApp will send you a verification code. If the number is correct, you should receive a message from WhatsApp immediately. If it doesn't work, tap on the three dots on the top and select Help. Then you will get to see this section, and as you can see, it says you have to wait a specified amount of time before requesting another verification code. So now you need to wait for this specified duration. And while you wait, you will receive your WhatsApp verification code. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.